Hello, I am Sarmad Zia and I am going to present the first assignment of EIM course, and my topic is Innovation Leadership in Growing Organizations. Mr. John Bailey, the co-founder and ex-CEO of Dendroit Organization, has discussed about what is innovation and how to maintain innovation in growing organizations. Talking about innovation, there are two methods of innovation. Number one, design thinking. Design thinking is looking for the new solution for already existing problem. This method was adopted by Dendroit organization. The second method is known as the inventor method. The inventor method starts by inventing the need, understanding the problem, and finding the solution of that problem. Often companies choose to go for inventor method has to go through the stage of prototyping the solution or the product. There are a number of key challenges a manager or a leader has to face in order to sustain the innovation in the growing organization. The biggest challenge is to choose the type of innovation. There are two types of innovations: sustainable and disruptive innovation. Sustainable innovation is simply improving the existing product, while disruptive innovation is creating the new market by creating the new product or the services, which means organization has to obsolete the existing product or the solutions. We also know that each product has its own life cycle, and it's very important for the managers to maximize the profit during the product life cycle. It is also very important for each company who wants to commercialize their product during its life cycle. This can be achieved by value proposition and revenue streams as discussed by Osterwalder business model canvas. The other key challenges are for the manager is to introduce the culture of innovations in the organizations, empowering the employees in order to get the best output in terms of innovations from the employees. And the last is to have the strong customer relationships, and all the innovation has to be customer centric innovations.